Hello there, boys and girls, kimchis of all ages. This is George Francis, and yes, we've made it to another year of G-3's FireWorks Blowout Extravaganza. I hope that you have a lot of Trump care because you're going to have to pay for it, you know, if you don't, when you blow your arms and legs off. Well, we have the good, trusty FireWorks launcher here, and as you can see that we have blown up many a things and blown off many an arm and a leg. So we've got our fireworks all ready. So we are ready to go. I've got my America shirt on and we're gonna shoot off some fireworks right now. Check it out. Alrighty, boys and girls, kimchi of all ages, all the people are here. Hello, everybody. And it is now time to set off some of these. So let's do it. We're gonna drop these puppies in here and hopefully not blow our faces off. Everybody ready? Nope. Nope, that's a good indication to go right now. All right, here we go, everybody. 1, 2, 3, light. I'm lit.
Here we go! Ride yours! Now we got shut off. I'm ready.
All right, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. Light it.
I'll do mine.
Recording.
Okay, ready? Alright. 1, 2, 3, light.
There you go. Good job, good job. You rolling?
Yep.
Oh God, here we go. Hold on. I cannot do I didn't see this. It's not that bad.
Ready?
This.
All right, well, we're down to the last firework of 2017, and well, we can't get away with doing a G3 fireworks without having a firework that's called Bloody Red Star with white glittering star. It signifies the blood and guts that we shed every year when we bring you these explosions. So we hope that you love them. So here is the last two fireworks of 2017 and then the finale. All right, well, here's the last two. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. That's it, that's all. That's the Fireworks 2017 display, and thanks to my friends. Yeah! We will see you again next year. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.